By this time, oh, tell me why I just broke this thing. What's up, people? It's your girl Morgan, and I'm back with another video. Yes, I look rusted, dusted, and clunked out right now. I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna show y'all my curly hair routine and the products that I've been using. But yeah, I'm about to fix this hot mess. And if you want to know the products that I use to create the end result that you saw at the beginning, then just keep watching. Yeah, we about to get it cracking. So take this down. Y'all can see my roots are so grown out. Oh my gosh. The main reason I wanted to refilm this video from like years ago, not only because it was years ago and I used different products, but I had hot roots to the extreme. It was just looking really crusty, so it needed to be refilmed regardless. Usually I'll do my hair in sections, and I'll usually do like 3 sections. I like to do a bigger one in the back, usually right above my ears. And the key to like maximum definition is to re-wet your hair. Usually I'll have a leave-in conditioner. This is already coming down. Now, first thing I'll usually go in with is a cream. I use the Diva Curl styling cream one, but it's literally like almost completely gone. So another one that I really want to try to use is the Pillow Soft Curls. I wanted to try this for so long, and every time I look for it, it's out of stock. I like to add in quite a bit of cream. Then I'll go in with my curls. This is Blueberry Bliss. It's like a jelly. So that sounds so gross. Kind of a weird consistency, but I really like how it makes my curls clump together. I like to brush all those together again. And then I kind of like brush it flat almost. Now you'll notice if you've seen my older video, and I guess I'll post that in the description as well, my pattern is a lot different than it used to be just because it's a lot more damage now on the ends. Now I don't have really like any straight pieces because I kind of cut them all off within the past few years. But okay, I'm gonna pretty much do this in all of the sections, and I'm just gonna kind of fast forward so you can watch me do that. Okay. I came for all the baguettes. My pocket change on a stimulus check. I woke up thinking about being goldie. These niggas focus on internet threats. What do you know about being quoted? Don't gotta say it, they give me respect. Tapped in with niggas outside the country. Me and Joe came with to get on a jet. I need all eyes on me. I need my ice on freeze. Wait, yeah. They wait out my life. They want to hear from me. Wait, but she be keeping it simple, baby. No feelings from me. Yeah. I need all eyes on me. Yeah. I need all eyes on me, so they can watch what I'm about to do. I got a chick and dropped out in school. I've been a nigga since 2018 of my life, and I always had something to prove. I keep it 100 times 7 in this bitch, just like the Yeezys I'm wearing for shoes. Wait, niggas up, they have plans to snooze. Half of you niggas just playing to lose. I'm stacking money tenfold. Parents told me I should run this bitch into the end zone. Remember when the bitches used to put me in the friend zone? Now they looking at me like I'm someone to depend on. So that shit can get gone when I put the pen on pad. Running this shit for the heat in my cash. Feel like LeBron, I don't know how to act around here. I was always ahead of my class. Feel like I woke up in heaven today. I hope they hear what I say. Been wanting this shit since 2011, okay? All I could do then was pray. All I'm on earth, I got to be a legend, okay? Give me a second of space. You can see all my jewelry dancing. I want baguettes on top of the face. I came for all the baguettes. My pocket change on a stimulus check. I woke up thinking about being goldie. These niggas focus on internet threats. What do you know about being quoted? Don't gotta say. You guys just saw me like brush it and then just let it fall. It usually will fall in like a big clump
clump, so I like to kind of shake my head out. Then if it's still a little too clumpy, I'll take it to the side, brush it out kind of outward, and that just helps to break up the hair a little bit. I had cut bangs a while back, and as much as I really like them, when I'm in quarantine, they don't always look that good. Like sitting in the bed, not doing jack, letting your hair just like mushroom up to your shoulders, it does not look good after a couple days. Like you have to restyle it all the time. So I don't think I'm gonna style my hair with the bangs today. My bangs are still pretty short, and I feel like regardless they're gonna want to fling to the front anyways. I also go in once I'm around the edges, and I'll just kind of brush it like this.
My pocket change on a stimulus check. I woke up thinking about being goldie. These niggas focus on internet threats. What do you know about being quoted? Don't gotta say it, they give me respect. Tapped in with niggas outside the country. Me and Joe came with to get on a jet. I need all eyes on me. I need my ice on freeze.
I prefer not to really have a part. You know you have enough water to give you really good definition when your hair kind of makes that noise.
Sosa, off I just came in and gave it a LIGO. They said this life is a movie. Flex every day, but he broke with a plot hole. Tell her I love her, I frame me. Wake up in the morning, call it a time.
Okay, so sometimes I don't always do this, but I am today. So I like to take a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, and I'll go in and just kind of squeeze out the excess water in my hair. It also takes up a little bit of the product, so it helps you reduce a little bit of product buildup. But this way it also makes your hair dry a little faster.
New bitch ain't shit like the old one. I'm like mellow back in 03. But I used to have the cornrow braids and the brand new J's. Bad bitches all on me. On a gang, I ain't never had.
The thing that I always do is I will put this Jelly Soft Curls. It's like a styling gel. I like to put this in my hair, and I take quite a bit of it, and I just like to go in. I like to flip my hair all the way down, and I just kind of like work it in sections a little bit without being like too precise about it, because it does already have this stuff. It already has that in it, so it's gonna hold regardless, but this just helps me get an extra hold without any crunch.
I love her, I frame me. Wake up in the morning, call it a typo. Move out the way, it's an ISO. Don't call me.
Lately, I tend to diffuse my hair a lot more now than before. I used to really just let it air dry, and then I'd kind of fluff it out and diffuse it when it was like 80% dry. I'd rather have more volume with a little bit of frizz than it just look like noodles on my head. So when I do diffuse my hair, I learned this tip from Lisette. She kind of goes around the head with the diffuser first, just letting the hair lay how it does already. It helps the curl kind of stay where it's supposed to, versus when you just start scrunching it automatically when your hair is already really wet, then it's gonna make your curls look kind of funky.
And you bad for me too.
I should also mention the temperatures. So there's like a hair in my mouth. When I do like the thing around, I like to do it on the medium setting, like the medium warm setting. I always do the lowest speed, just because if you do anything higher than that, it's gonna create a lot of frizz. But yeah, so I'll do it with the warm, and then when I start scrunching up, I'll usually alternate between warm and cool. But every time I pull the diffuser back down to switch to a new section, I always end on cool. So.
Is it really you? I'm taking a risk. I understand about our secret, but I'm getting pissed. Why we hiding when we kiss? Yes, I'm acting like a kid. Throw a fit over just some dick. Come on, be legit. Who else you be sleeping with? You know that I'm bad for you. I always got an attitude. Wonder why I'm sad. You done made me mad. You know that I'm bad, bad.
You're bad for me too. You're bad for me, you. Keep on playing games. Someone's gonna lose. How did we get here? Don't know what to do. I don't think we realize what we got into. I don't think we realize. Think we realize. don't feel anything.
Okay, so now my hair is about like 80-85% dry. I always will notice like little funky hairs that kind of just dry really weird. And so a tip for that that I like to use is I will take a plastic straw, wrap it around, and I'll just spray it a little bit with heat protectant, so it's not only protected but it's also a little damp. So I'll blast it for about 15 seconds or so, and then when it comes out, it's a lot better looking. And I won't do this to every single curl, just the ones that are more in my face that look crazy like that one did.
Hey, is that foreign? Set this bitch off like Cleo. Girl, I'm the one like Neo. No, I won't wipe that bride. She a bird, bitch, no Rio. And the money can't feed my ego. They wanna play both sides. Been ready, this shit is alarming. That nigga came on time, and they can't do no home with us. You niggas know what it was. Then get lit off liquor. That bottle came with a buzz. And I been my own nigga. Based on what angel does. Kinda loud, took my heart out. So I can't show no love. Rory, fast, fucking I don't wanna back. Yeah, you was a cat in the hat. Bitch, I'm that cat with the gat. Heard you ain't getting no money. Damn, heard you ain't getting no rest. Heard you was doing on set.
I just like to blast the root. I'll usually do it with like warm and then cool. So yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Ooh, I came in 1-1, then I left with 3. Y'all keep it low key, my bitch gon' be mad at me. Y'all this bitch off like Cleo. Girl, I'm the one like Neo. No, I won't wipe that bride. She a bird, bitch, no Rio. And the money can't feed my ego. They wanna play both sides.
So then sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, but I'll go in with this Africa's Best Super Grow, really just because my scalp is more on the drier side in the winter, and not necessarily because I need my hair to grow. I mean, it'd be nice, but then I just go in and massage it at the scalp.
So I done got 40, bitch. I hit the rest with a no. Telling me 40 rich. Say I'm her one and only.
Then at the very end, I just like to flip my head over, shake up my roots. Oh my gosh, I just like punched myself. Shake up my roots, and then that's what, you know, gives it all the body. It's still not completely dry, so it's not gonna be like as big as it tends to be, but you'll get the picture.
The money can't feed my ego. They wanna play both sides. Been ready, this shit is alarming. That nigga came on time, and they can't do no home with us. You niggas know what it was. Then I get lit off liquor. That bottle came with a buzz. And I been my own nigga. Based on what angel does. Kinda loud, took my heart out. So I can't show no love. We got this shit out the mud. I don't got hope in my blood.
But yeah, that is pretty much my my curly hair routine. Let me know if you guys like it by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it to any, you know, curly girl that might need a little bit of help. It doesn't hurt to reach out to somebody, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to subscribe. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Who knows with me. Take care, guys. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.
Bruh.
You know that I'm bad for you. I always got an attitude. Wonder why I'm sad. You done made me mad.